Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Elmes. This is their part number D bolt assembly for an 1.75 inch thick door for their T51 style mounting type posts, offset posts. And Elmes has a relatively unique, at least unique to me, I've not seen a mount type like this, where they have some different pieces that are employed to bolt your poles back to back. This is part of a system that will thread. There's a lug that sits down over onto the bolt. Then the entire bolt gets threaded into the exterior side of the pole set. Then at that point, it will be attached to the door. So this square lug goes over. You thread into your post from your exterior side. Now your interior handle is ready to be installed and placed right over on top of the lug. And on either side of the lug, however you position it, but it would be on the sides, it would have to be on the sides, would be 2 set screws that will literally go through the square mounting posts into the tapped holes in the side of the lug. Well, this is the bolt that goes through the door. This is for sure a metric thread. That I know, and I'm going to see if I can pull up what thread type that is. And I was able to locate that thread size that the factory told me. They told me they were an M6, which makes it, of course, metric. M6. Overall length of the bolt, 2.5 inches, as you can see. Phillips head. Okay. So if you have Elmes poles, and it's very common that you'll end up possibly needing replacement bolts, let us know. We'll help get you the proper mounting packages. Sometimes it takes quite a bit of time. The factory is very responsive, but obtaining technical drawings of just a listing of all of the different mount types seemed to be a conclusion that really eluded my ability to obtain from the factory. However, all is well that ends well, and this project ended well for the client, and that's what that D style from that parts drawing below is. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Elmes products that we sell, but also a link from the manufacturer's website, or a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. They're a company based in Japan, so much of their manufacturing, I believe actually all of their manufacturing, is done there. So permit some lead time, especially on larger quantities. Any questions on the Elmes D bolt assembly for a T51 offset square mount, or round? This would also work on a round. If you had a round mounting post, that lug would still slide over this. It just wouldn't be square. It would be round in profile. Any questions on the D bolt assembly or any other Elmes product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.